Hello everybody, Cam S here. The countdown is on for turkey season. We have a week and a half until the season starts, so today we're going to be shooting the Magnus broadheads to make sure they're in tune with my bow, and we're going to shoot from the blind real quick to make sure I am comfortable being able to shoot from the blind. We're going to take the blind out, and then hopefully after this point, the next time you see me, I'll be in the woods hunting for some turkeys. Alright, I think we are all set to go. It's going to be a little tight, but I think we can do it. We're going to head out to the woods now to get the blind set up. I got a pretty good idea of where we're going to put it, but look for some signs and move the camera around a little bit and set this thing up. Alright, we are all set up and ready to go. I'll see you opening day. So it's opening day, we're out in the blind all set up and ready to go. We've got 3 cameras set up, and as you can hear right there, the turkeys are gobbling, so hopefully they come down from roost right in front of us. Very excited. Alright, hopefully next time we see you, we got some turkeys in front of us. So as you saw, we had a group of turkeys go by. The first one, I'm not sure how good it got on camera, but the first one was a nice tom, but it got spooked. I'm not sure if it was by us or if he was just going to his early feeding grounds off the roost. And we had like 8 jakes or so, and then a few hens with them too. So I just put the decoys out so that I could start calling a little bit. I wanted to try to get them on the early roost, just going their natural route without any decoys this morning, but they kind of went through too fast to be able to get a shot on them, or at least the big one did. So hopefully we can start calling and get the big one to come back in. So it's opening day evening. We did not end up seeing anything else this morning besides that group of jakes and that one nice tom. And we decided to back up and head home. Alyssa had to go to work, so I am back out in the blind. It is like 4:30 right now, so I am filming by myself, and hopefully we can make something happen. Well, I think we're probably gonna have to call it a day. I just heard a few of them roost up behind me, and hopefully I can get out tomorrow morning and they'll follow the same path that they did today. Hopefully I don't spook them tomorrow, so we'll see you tomorrow morning. Hello everybody, it's day number 2. I'm self-filming again today, so I think I'm going to try something a little bit different for the blind. I'm only going to open just a little slot so I can try to make it so they can't see me as well as they could yesterday. So it may be a little bit of a tight shot, but hopefully we can get it done. So this morning has kind of been a bust. I did not see them come down from roost. I heard them go down, but they did not follow the same route as they did yesterday. So I think I might give it a few minutes and try to do a spot and stalk. I heard them gobbling over the north a little while ago. So I might try to get an eye on these turkeys and try and call them in. So the next time you see me, I might be on the move. Yesterday's spot stalk was eventful, but not productive. So I took last night off so that hopefully they could get a little bit more set schedule again, because they used to be walking from my camera regularly, and I did not get any pictures yesterday. And last night when I would have been out hunting at like 8 o'clock, I had a very nice tom walk right by the blind going to roost. So that is just my luck right there, not being able to be out here to get that one, but that's just how my luck goes. close as he got. The camera's a little bit more to the left, and I couldn't get a shot at him at that point. And I waited a little bit because I thought he would stand still afterwards, but I don't know if he saw me or what. Then he got spooked and started running off. I probably shouldn't have taken that shot, but these broadheads are made to like headshots only, so it hits his feathers that there's such a big surface area that you can't, like, it's not even gonna draw blood. I went over there and picked up the broadhead, and there's no blood or anything, so it can't even penetrate those feathers. So it didn't do anything to the turkey, but just disappointing that I didn't make a better shot, I guess. I've been practicing for months now to be able to make that shot, and I kind of screwed it up, so. And there's another nice tom behind it. I thought it was going to come in, but it was with some hens, and 6 jakes came running in and pushed the hens that way, so I guess we'll wait a little longer and hopefully try to get another tom to come back in this morning. If not, we got quite a long season ahead of us still that we can try to make something happen. Just stinks that I screwed that up because that was a pretty good opportunity, but once he started running, there was nothing I could do to get him to stop, so hopefully we can get another one to come in soon and keep you guys posted. Hello everybody, it is day 4. As you guys saw, I screwed up my shot yesterday. Hopefully I get another opportunity today and I don't mess it up this time. I went home and shot my bow, and hopefully I'm all practiced out for today. I've been practicing quite a bit, so I don't really know what happened. It was a tough shot. I probably shouldn't have taken it because I was on the run, but we've got some turkeys roosted up in the tree right now, so hopefully they go down this route and I can actually make a good shot this time. I'll keep you guys posted. I decided to try to do spot and stalk, and I did not see any until I got to the very back to where my dad's blind is. And there's about 20 to 30 birds out in that field. So I got the decoys out right now, and I started calling, and I just got some gobbles back, so hopefully we can get them to come within 20 yards over here. So there's a lot of birds out in that field. So it's my 6th day out in the woods, and I just had, I think there were 6 of them, 6 toms, respond to one of my calls. They gobbled, and then they came in. They're behind me, and then they looped around my decoys, so I'm not really sure what happened. They ended up going out in the field, so I really don't know what happened or what I did wrong. They just were interested, and then when they saw the decoys, it just kept moving. So hopefully we can get them to come back in or get some other ones to come in. It's my 7th day out in the woods. Last night was kind of eventful having those toms come in, but couldn't make anything happen. For some reason they weren't very interested in my decoys once they saw what was making the noise. And then I really didn't see much after that. I know that there's at least one turkey roosted up behind me, so hopefully there's a few more and some of them are toms. So I got the decoys out this morning and hopefully we can make something happen. So, it is day number 8, I believe, and we could not make anything happen yesterday. There was a lot of toms out in the field right next to this blind. I got out and tried to do a spot stalk and saw a ton of them out in that field. So, this morning I am in the blind closest to this field. So hopefully they're roosted in our woods and they'll go across these trails to get out to that open field. Yesterday was officially 2 weeks since the season opener. We still have not harvested a turkey. My plan for this morning was to come out and try to listen for gobbles and to get set up near the roost so I could get them coming down from the roost. But it has been very windy this morning, much too windy to be able to hear any gobbles. So I switched things up and went to the blind in the bag that I was in a few months ago to try to get some that are going to be hopefully going to that open field behind me. I have not gotten any turkeys on my trail camera yesterday or the day before, I believe. And the only turkeys I saw on camera were those 6 jakes that I saw the other night. I was hoping that they would have a tom with them that I just wasn't getting on camera, but they came in and there was only 6 or 7 jakes, so hopefully I can get into a tom this morning and keep you guys updated. So it's another night. I got done working and had to mow a lawn. When I got home, I saw 2 toms and a few hens out in the field behind our house, so I decided to go out to the edge of our property and try to call them in, and they did not respond. I lost sight of them. I thought they were going away, so I came back to the house and started shooting my bow. And now they are looping back around to where the general area that I was in, so I probably had a better chance of calling them in. That's just my luck. But when I was shooting my bow, the D loop on my bowstring is getting very frayed, and I do not know if I want to risk using it tomorrow morning because I'm going out with a coworker. He is gonna try to get me a turkey this year, so I don't really want to mess up a shot or pull back my bow and have that D-loop come rip off and punch myself in the face. So I think I am going to switch to the shotgun tomorrow morning. I will try to get the GoPro mounted up on that tonight, and I was really looking forward to trying to get one with my bow this year, but got a very limited time left in the season. With me starting work now, I don't have much time to get out in the woods, so I think I've only got 2 more weekends left that I can hunt, so I think it's about time that I pull out the shotgun. Again this morning. We did not see a single bird yesterday. Hopefully we can have a little bit better luck this morning. I definitely have more respect for these birds at this point. I was thinking that I honestly was going to come out opening day and get one opening morning. And these birds have been proving to be a lot tougher to harvest. So they've definitely gained a lot of respect in my books. pretty sure that was the tom I was after. That big double beard. It stopped and started to walk away, so I called, and as soon as I called, it took off. So apparently I'm not a very good caller, because that's the second time this year I've called to a tom and it has taken off on me. So I ended up seeing 2 more turkeys in that direction. I'm pretty sure they were jakes. I think I'm going to try to go out to the woods now. Try to put a spot stock on something, but tell you what, it's getting pretty frustrating. I've got very little time left between work, so I've pretty much only got 3 days after today to be able to get a turkey, so I'm gonna try to go out to the woods and do a spot stock, and I will see you out there. So when I went out to the woods, I did not see anything during that spot stock, and I ended up going out one more time after this to the woods, and I did not get anything on trail camera for like 2 weeks, and I saw nothing and heard nothing when I went out to the woods again. So I got it all set up to where my coworker that took me on that one very eventful hunt where I could have shot that one tom if I didn't catch the sling on the branch in front of me. He was all set up to take me the Friday before the season ended, and it ended up storming all day that day. So we did not get to go then. We got it set up to go on the last day of the season, and I woke up that morning and I was very sick, so I was not going to be able to go out into the woods that morning either. So my turkey season got cut short. It was a very eventful season though, and I definitely have way more respect for these birds. I thought they were just going to be, because when you're out there deer hunting, they walk right underneath you. They're not scared of you at all. And they actually do have a lot more brains than I thought they did. So I definitely give these birds a lot more respect, and I have a lot more interest in turkey hunting than I did before. I hopefully will be able to go out next year, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get one with a bow. I have not gotten a turkey in like 8 years, but I have also not hunted for a turkey in 8 years or so. So might have to try and pull out the shotgun from the very start of the season next year and see how it goes. Hopefully I will have some fishing content for you guys very soon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching the whole video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button below. Turn that bell notification button on. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll see you next time.